Hey guys, Richard Lorenz here again with Be the Bird, BeTheBird.com. We're going to do another bird in my Girls Night Out series. It's a real fun series. So far we've done Mildred. You may have seen that video. It should be here somewhere. She's been a big hit. And Pearl. She was the second bird in this series. Spent a lot of time on those boots, you know. And those came out really well. Had a big request for those pieces. Prints are available online. Check us out. Today we're going to work on Gladis. She's going to be another one of my Girls Night Out birds. So I'm working on an iPad Pro, the larger iPad Pro, with using the app PROCREATE, a nice little painting app. So everything starts with a sketch. I'm going to make sure I have my sketching pencil here, and I'm going to go ahead and get started. And here we go. Okay guys, all done. It happened like in what, 4 minutes, right? No, it actually took about 4 days of work. There's a lot of detail here. You can check it out here. You know, just working on the eyes there. There was a lot of trial and error there. Had to get the lipstick right. Got to get the jewelry, the bling. So this is Gladis, third in the series, third in my Girls Night Out series. You can see I used a lot of texture in this piece with their decor there, and so I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, subscribe, turn on notifications. These will be available in print, as is Mildred and Pearl, at the website. The website's in the description. So thanks for tuning in, guys. As always, you already have wings.
Be the bird.
Be the bird.